In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore lost Slack channels. If you've ever logged into Slack and suddenly realized a channel you relied on is missing, it can feel a bit alarming. The good news is that many lost channels aren't actually gone for good. They've just been archived. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to quickly find those archived channels and bring them back so you can continue your conversations and access past information. First, start from the main Slack window, which is usually called the Home tab. This is the screen where you see your list of channels and direct messages on the left. At the top of Slack, look for the option called Directories. Go ahead and click that. The directory is where Slack keeps an organized list of people, apps, and channels in your workspace, which makes it a great place to look when something seems to have disappeared. Once the directory opens, you'll see several tabs. Click on the tab labeled Channels. This switches the view so you're only seeing channels, not people or anything else. Here, you'll have a complete list of channels that exist in your workspace, including ones you might not be a member of. To narrow this down to channels that may have been archived, look for the filter option near the top of this channel's view. Click on the filter, then choose the option that lets you see archived channels. This tells Slack to show you only the channels that have been archived, which is usually where a lost channel ends up. You can then use the search bar to type the name of the channel you're trying to restore, or even just part of its name, and Slack will filter the list as you type. When you see the channel you want in the results, click on its name to open it. This will take you into the channel view, where you can see its history, even though it's currently archived. At the top of the channel, look for the Settings or Channel Details menu. This is often represented by a small down arrow or an icon next to the channel name. Click it, and in the menu that appears, choose the option that says Unarchive this channel. As soon as you select Unarchive, the channel becomes active again. It will reappear in your workspace's channel list, members can post messages, and the conversation can continue just like before.